Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here. Today we're diving into some truly amazing space-saving ideas for apartments, perfect for making the most out of every square inch. It's all about surrounding yourself with objects that spark joy and finding a place for everything, no matter how small your space is. Let's embark on this exciting journey together to create a serene and spacious apartment haven, where tranquility meets functionality. Get ready to declutter, organize, and maximize your space. We'll show you how to transform your apartment into a well-organized, efficient, and beautiful living area. Let's start with furniture that serves a dual purpose. In small spaces, every piece of furniture needs to earn its keep. Think of a sleek sofa that transforms into a bed. It's perfect for when guests come over, providing comfort without taking up extra space. Or an ottoman with hidden storage. It can be used as a seat, a table, and a place to stash away items. These pieces save floor space and bring an element of surprise to your home. Imagine the delight of discovering a hidden compartment or a fold-out feature. By choosing multifunctional furniture, you're creating a more organized living environment. It helps keep your space tidy and maximizes the utility of every square foot. Our next strategy takes inspiration from a well-organized library. Tall bookcases can house many belongings while adding sophistication. Place taller items at the back and smaller ones in front for a visually appealing display. Vertical storage is your secret weapon for maximizing space in a small apartment. Let's turn our attention to the often overlooked space beneath our beds. This area can be a treasure trove of storage opportunities. Imagine sliding open a drawer to reveal neatly folded linens or out-of-season clothing, all perfectly organized and easy to access whenever you need them. Clear bins allow you to see contents at a glance, making it easy to find what you're looking for, while fabric-covered boxes add a touch of elegance and style to your storage solutions. By utilizing underbed storage, you're not only freeing up valuable closet and drawer space, but also creating a more organized and clutter-free living environment. Next, we'll explore foldable furniture. Imagine a desk that folds down from the wall or chairs that tuck away after use. Choose pieces that complement your decor and spark joy even when not in use. Foldable furniture creates a flexible living space that meets your changing needs. Let's unlock the potential of our doors with over-the-door organizers. These can transform a door into a hub of organization, keeping essentials within reach. Imagine hooks behind your door displaying scarves or a shoe organizer in your closet. By embracing these solutions, you're creating a more organized and functional home. Our next secret lies in embracing the corners of our homes. Corner shelves can transform unused space into stylish displays. Imagine floating shelves showcasing houseplants or a corner bookshelf for your books. Corner shelves maximize storage and add charm to any room. Let's step into the kitchen and discover the power of hanging racks. Imagine pots and pans suspended from a ceiling rack, freeing up cabinet space. Sleek rails can hold utensils, spices, and fresh herbs, adding rustic charm. By embracing vertical storage in your kitchen, you're freeing up valuable counter space. Our next solution takes inspiration from Japanese sliding doors. Imagine panels separating your bedroom from your living area, maximizing floor space. Sliding doors can also conceal storage areas, maintaining a clutter-free aesthetic. By embracing these design elements, you're creating a more serene atmosphere. Let's explore compact appliances that combine innovation and efficiency. Imagine a slimline refrigerator or a compact dishwasher in your kitchen. Look for models that offer the features you need in a smaller footprint. By embracing these solutions, you're creating a more functional and stylish home. Our final secret lies in the power of mirrors. A strategically placed mirror can make your space feel larger and more inviting. Consider the size, shape, and placement of mirrors to enhance your decor. By embracing mirrors, you're transforming your apartment into a haven of light. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Creating a tidy and joyful home is an ongoing journey. Embrace the process of decluttering and organizing with intention. Let's inspire each other to create homes that spark joy, no matter the size.